Smart Kids Stories, A to Z Inspirational Story Series. So, in this series, we are going to listen to the various different stories of inspirational great personalities with A to Z letters. So, today we are going to listen to the story with alphabet C. C for confidence. So, what is confidence? So, confidence is something which motivates us to reach our goals. So, when we lack confidence, we actually lose the opportunities and we actually cannot achieve the goal what we are expecting to reach. So, what is the confidence and how can we actually build the confidence and how can we stay confident? So all these things with a small inspirational story, we can actually understand how to stay confident and how to achieve success in our life. So let's start the story. The story begins like this. There was a small boy in Chennai. His name was Dilip, and he was staying with his mother, father, and their sister. So all together they were living in a nice place, and his father was working as a music composer. He was working on various tunes and he was doing all different types of compositions and he was a great musician. So this small boy at the age of 4, he started playing piano, and all his father, mother and everybody was surprised to see that at that very young age this boy started playing piano. So his father understood that he really has that interest towards music. So he started teaching the small boy music and he started learning various things in music. So unfortunately what happened? When this small boy was at age of 9, his father passed away. So when his father passed away, this boy actually couldn't take that because he was so young and he was so small at that age. Even though all these struggles came in his life, he still made his mind, and with all his confidence he took all his family responsibilities and he started actually renting all his father musical instruments and he started earning some money for his family. See how he never lose his confidence. He always wanted to protect his family. What is that background, like what is that at the back end for this boy to stay confident and to earn money is his family. So his family is his confidence. So what is this boy did? He rented all the musical instrument, he got some money, and with that they started living. And then slowly when this boy started growing at the age of 11, this boy took the whole family responsibility and he started working with a composer as a musician. He started slowly working with various music directors and music composers and he started earning livelihood. So that small money, whatever he was earning, he used to spend for his family. So because he was working for his livelihood, he couldn't actually concentrate on his education. So this small boy was a school dropout as well. So he never completed his education. Even though he did not complete his education, when this boy was in his teens, this boy was offered a scholarship from Trinity College of London. See, even though he had to go through all the struggles in his childhood, he was still able to get scholarship in a good college and he could actually finish his masters in Western classical music. So such a great interest he had, such a confidence, he was motivated, he always wanted to work hard. All these things come from confidence, right? What is his confidence? His family is his confidence. He wanted to take care of his family. He wanted to make his family happy. So that's the only thing he had in his mind all the time. So he worked for his family and he never loses confidence, and he finally able to do his education also. And then when this boy was actually working with all some of the music directors, he got to meet a great person. and that person name is Mani Ratnam. He was a great music director. I hope you all know. And Mani Ratnam gave this boy a good opportunity to become a music director for the film called Roja. And this boy had given a very great music. Even now we still listen to that songs. So now I hope you all understood about whom I'm talking. It's none other than A.R. Rahman. You're right. Yes. A.R. Rahman, he had gone through a lot of struggles in his life when he was a child, but still he managed all the things, and he actually came out of all the struggles and he achieved success in his life. So he not only achieved and made his family happy, he made all India proud of him, because he got this Oscar award for the film Slumdog Millionaire. That's the first Oscar award which we received for India. So it's such a great thing and such a great music director. We all are like diehard fans of A.R. Rahman, isn't it? His music is so lovely and everybody loves his music, his songs. Each and every song is so different. He composes it in such a way that everybody will keep singing, listening to those songs, and such a great music director he became. So all these things, how did it happen? Because of confidence. When we are confident about ourselves, our skill set, then definitely we will achieve what we want to achieve in our life. We can achieve all our goals through confidence. So kids, stay confident all the time, and you can also achieve the goals whatever you want to achieve in your life. So this is a small story about A.R. Rahman in a brief way, but it's just because I just want to share we have to stay confident and achieve all our goals in life. And I'll come up with a nice story again. I hope you all like my story. So stay tuned and please subscribe to my channel, and thank you very much. See you soon. Bye bye.